is exactly how I labeled my for the manual swap too.
And we're back, boys.
We're back after a, what, kind of a little hiatus, huh?
Yes.
Life gets busy, but we try to find time to make some videos for you guys. Either way, at least it gets done.
And guess what's going on jack stands again? In all seriousness, we are doing a few things today, just basic maintenance. Installing these exhaust hangers. Well, one exhaust hanger and what do you call this? The reinforcement plate for the exhaust hanger. Also, we are replacing my corner lights. Got these off of Amazon. These actually have seals on the sides. Yeah, these actually have seals on the sides, so it's gonna look much nicer, much cleaner. Replacing my oil level sensor. Mine went out, so it's reading that I have low oil when indeed I do not have low oil. Comes with the O-ring piece. Also, oil change time. And replacing my horn. I should do a little horn test, Alex. You ready for some horny action? Oh, it won't beep, it's not on. But you get the idea. I'm gonna get started on the headlights, on the corner light. So, my corner lights are now off. Next thing I'm gonna move on to are the low tone horn. Low tone. Dude, that looks like Coca-Cola. What?
It's about to overflow. This is how you flirt with death. You fill the oil filler funnel all the way to the top.
So, update on the car.
So we just did the oil change, simple stuff. We did the CPV valve, which is located on the, oh my god. Flirt with death. So we did the CPV valve located on the passenger side of the motor. We replaced the little Teflon O-ring in there. It's a little hard to get to be honest, and you need a good set of these little driver bits that Harbor Freight sells. Really helps. I recommend doing it if you're like taking your headers out for some reason. It's probably the best time to do it. Luckily for Jay, his wasn't leaking, so we just did it kind of preventatively. What else did we do? Oil level. Oh yeah, the low tone horn we did, and the oil level sensor and temperature sensor we also replaced as well, which is at the bottom of the sump. It's just held by 10 millimeter bolts, and I recommend obviously doing that when you do your oil change, because otherwise if you take that out with a pan full of oil, then you're gonna have to do an oil change anyways.
Yeah, just basic maintenance, small things.
More like a vlog, just trying to get something out there, but we definitely got some big stuff coming, that's for sure, especially with this car with the Babsound's entire speaker upgrade. Looking forward to that because I've driven this car, and one thing I did not like, even though some people probably would say why would you use the radio in this car, is that this radio sucks. More importantly, the speakers, they sound like tin cans. So looking forward to installing that and see how much of a difference that's going to make. But
it's actually right here. There's a full speaker system.
Full kit. So, and this car has the original optional Harman Kardon stereo. So, coupled with that, it should sound pretty badass.
Yeah, you would think the Harman Kardon would like last longer, you know, but I guess just the speakers die.
Yeah, well, somebody probably blasted the shit out of their music and blew the drivers.
That's probably me. But yeah,
We still got a couple things. Still got to do the exhaust hanger, and then that's pretty much it.
also, this roof is going to be wrapped in ta-da, carbon. Let me bring this out. I forget which exact model this one was, but this is from Avery, and it's like a really nice weave of a black carbon. I'm gonna get the whole roof, including the trims, wrapped by this guy, by Pro Vinyl Wraps. Some guy named Nick. Shout out to Nick. He's gonna do a wrap, and we'll do a video on that sometime this week when he's available. So that should be cool. Kind of makes it look like a fake CSL roof. Although I'd rather have the CSL roof. But yeah, I mean, apart from that, I'm gonna have a rear diffuser that needs to go on. I'm gonna send that out to my buddy to get it painted all black. Well, not all black, but this part will be black, and then this diffuser area will be carbon. So it should match with the wheels, and it should match with the plates and all that. So just like small carbon bits. I also need to replace this. I need to have this repainted. Like, it's starting to fade, chip, and the seals are really bad. I was looking at the DIY on how to do the weather stripping back here. Avery doesn't, not Avery, 3M doesn't sell that part anymore.
They don't make it.
They don't make it, so I have to find an alternative. But yeah, small things here and there, and it'll get done. So we've been getting some mosquito outreaches here in Long Beach.
Are you filming my butt?
Yeah, I'm filming your butt.
Damn, dude.
You got bit in the butt pretty good, dude. Oh my god.
Did I get bit right there? Oh, damn, look at
Yeah,
that.
yeah,
I felt that one earlier, too.
Yeah, so you got two on your
Fucker.
butt. You already got two on your butt, dude. Oh, damn it. So we just wrapped up working on this piece of shit. Well, Alex working on a piece of shit because he likes working on piece of shit.
Yeah, I do. I
So
don't
he's
mind
gonna
it.
start a business called Piece of Shit.
Piece LLC. It's probably gonna be the new business name.
Yep.
So, not in any way affiliated with S85 SoCal.
Exactly. If you don't bring anything Falcon Mint, then it's, you know.
This is such a random video. But
Alright, so.
next video, so we're actually gonna plan to do the entire BavSound speaker upgrade for this car. And then we're also gonna be doing the Vanos refresh alongside here, and then the oil temperature sensor and the idle control valve. So we've got quite a few things planned for this car. And then after this, on the E60, we're gonna do some kind of the same thing, routine maintenance, brakes, oil. We're gonna be replacing the headlights and the front seats because my seats are in really bad shape, and I got a really good deal on a set of black ones from a good friend, Tim. If you're watching this video, shout out to you. But yeah, we've got quite a few videos lined up, so you definitely don't want to miss them. So that's pretty much, you know, the agenda for the next couple of months on the channel. So
Cool.
obviously, if you haven't subscribed, you should always subscribe to this channel because you'll always get a notification when we start posting these videos. So make sure you do subscribe. And to everybody that has subscribed, much love to you guys, much appreciated. And if you ever do see me, just say that, are you the guy from the YouTube channel, as everybody likes to say. But that pretty much wraps up the video for today. If you have any questions, always let us know in the comments. We will be always trying to respond. Also rate, like, subscribe, do all that YouTube BS, you know, all that stuff. But anyways, time to end the video. I'll see you guys later.